Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing about types of fraction. I recommend you watch my introduction to fraction video first. That will help you understand this topic much better. On the top right hand corner, you can see an I button. By clicking on that, you can reach my introduction to fractions video. So here, as you can see, I have a number line. So the first type of fraction is when the numerator is 0. So the value of the fraction will also be 0. For example, 0 by 3 or 0 by 300 or 0 by 45,73,358, they are called zero fractions and their value are just 0. Okay, so they are on this section of the number line and you can't have 0 as your denominator because you can't divide any number by 0. So it's a big no-no. So the next type of fraction are called proper fraction. They have numerator less than the denominator. So the value will be more than 0 but less than 1. Okay, so the numerator should be less than the denominator, then only they are considered as proper fraction, as I told. For example, 1 by 6, 2 by 7, then 3 by 8, these all are proper fraction and they are located on this area of the number line. Okay, the next type of fraction is when you have the both numerator and denominator the same. For example, 1 by 1, 8 by 8, 500 by 500. Their values are just 1. They are located on this area of the number line, which is just equal to 1. And this rule doesn't apply to 0 because, as I told earlier, having 0 as denominator is a big no-no. Okay, the next type of fraction is when the numerator is greater than the denominator. We call such type of fractions improper fraction. Their value is greater than 1 and they go on and on forever. Okay, for example, 8 by 5. They are located on this area of the number line. I've drawn an arrow to just show you that it is greater than 1 and it goes on and on forever, as I mentioned earlier. But wait, there's more. You can't have improper fraction because they are not practically correct. We use them a lot, that's true, but then they're not practically correct. Because if I give you a pizza which is divided into 5 pieces, then you won't be able to eat 8 pieces out of that 5 pieces because they're just divided into 5 pieces. You can't have 8 pieces out of the 5 pieces. So that's why improper fractions are practically not correct. So the different way of representing improper fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay, they're represented by a whole number and a proper fraction on the right side of the whole number. For example, 3 by 5. Okay, this is equals to 8 by 5 as I showed in my previous slide. And you might be thinking, how did I convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction? And how can we do so? And how to convert mixed fraction to an improper fraction? Well, that's a topic for one of my future videos. So yeah, we have found another way to represent improper fraction. Okay, so the last type of fraction that we are going to discuss today is called unit fractions. These fractions have 1 as a numerator. For example, 1 by 6. Okay, now let's have a little recap. Okay, so we learned that there are 6 types of fraction: zero fraction, proper fraction, whole fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, and unit fraction. Okay, so we learned we learned where they are located on the number line and their values. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.